I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, 'cause I know the God is on my side today. I'm so happy.
Welcome to TBD Guitar, where we play guitar with purpose. Today, I have a fun lesson for you. It is Happy by Forrest Frank. It only uses 5 chords. Let's jump straight into it. The first chord is a D sharp major. So the first finger goes on the 6th fret of the A string. The second finger goes on the 8th fret of the D. The ring finger goes on the 8th fret of the G. And the pinky goes on the 8th fret of the B, like this. This is the most common way of playing this chord. I like doing it with a pinky bar. So if you want to try it with the pinky bar, same thing, first finger on the 6th fret of the A, then the pinky will flatten like this on the D, G, and B strings, like that. Another way I've seen people do it is like this. You bar down with the ring finger like this. But I would say the most beginner-friendly way of doing this is like this. So this is your D sharp major. The next chord, you just go down a half step right here. I call it going down a half step, going this way, because the sound gets lower. So on guitar, down is this way and up is this way. So we started on the D sharp major, then we go down a half step to this. Now this chord is a passing chord. It happens pretty quickly. So first you have this chord, then this, and this is just on the 5th fret, 7th fret, 7th fret, 7th fret, same exact shape as the D sharp. Now this next chord is C minor. The first finger goes on the 3rd fret of the A string, the 3rd finger goes on the 5th fret of the D, the pinky goes on the 5th fret of the G, and the middle finger goes on the 4th fret of the B. So far we have this. I recommend trying this a few times. Just get the hang of playing each chord. You don't have to strum all the chord tones. Also, I'm strumming it from the 5th string down, like this. You could strum all the way from the 5th string down, or you can strum from the 5th string to the 2nd string. Or you can strum from the 5th string to the 1st string. The next chord is F minor. The first finger goes on the 1st fret of the E, 3rd finger goes on the 3rd fret of the A, the pinky goes on the 3rd fret of the D, and then we bar across. And you can strum from the 6th string all the way. Here's what we have so far. Then, so we strum each chord once for now. Keep it simple. And then 2 times on the F minor. Now we're gonna go up here to this A sharp major. First finger goes on the 6th fret of the E, 3rd finger goes on the 8th fret of the A, pinky goes on the 8th fret of the D, middle finger goes on the 7th fret of the G, and then we bar across, and you can just strum from 6 to 1. Here's what we have so far. Now here it is with the recording.
Check, check, check. Hey, whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, 'cause I know the God is on my side today. I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. Anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, hey, hey.
And that was the tutorial for Happy by Forrest Frank. Please let me know if you have any questions about this song or any other songs, and let me know if you have any song requests, anything you want to learn. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.